the ultimate guide to 6 sweet-smelling perennials that transform your garden into paradise. Close your eyes for a moment and think about walking through a garden where every breath fills your lungs with the most amazing smells. Sweet roses, calming lavender, and even flowers that smell like chocolate cake. That magical garden can be yours, and I'm Sam from Seniors Gardening Advice. In just the next few minutes, I'll reveal 6 incredible perennial plants that will make your outdoor space smell absolutely wonderful all season long, year after year. The best part? These plants practically take care of themselves once you get them started. And wait until you hear about plant number 3 on my list. It has the most shocking smell that will surprise every single person who visits your garden. Welcome back to Seniors Gardening Advice, where we make gardening simple, enjoyable, and rewarding for everyone. I'm Sam, and if this is your first time joining us, please hit that subscribe button right now and ring the notification bell. We share easy gardening tips every single week that help you create the outdoor space you've always wanted without breaking your back or your budget. And if you're already part of our gardening family, give this video a thumbs up if you love the idea of a garden that smells as good as it looks. Your support means everything to us and helps other gardeners discover these amazing tips too. The magic of perennial plants lies in their ability to come back stronger each year. You plant them once, and they reward you with bigger blooms, stronger stems, and more incredible fragrances every single season. These 6 plants I'm sharing with you don't just survive, they thrive with very little work from you.
Plant number 1, Garden Phlox, the evening perfume. Let me start with a plant that many gardeners overlook, but absolutely shouldn't, Garden Phlox. This wonderful perennial creates clusters of star-shaped flowers that come in the most beautiful shades of pink, purple, white, and even some lovely coral colors. But the real magic happens when the sun starts to set. Garden Phlox releases its sweet, slightly spicy fragrance most strongly in the evening hours. The smell gets more intense as temperatures cool down, making it perfect for planting near your patio, deck, or anywhere you like to sit and relax after dinner. The scent has a unique quality. It's both fresh and warm at the same time, creating an inviting atmosphere that makes you want to spend more time outdoors. One of the biggest advantages of Garden Phlox is its incredibly long blooming season. While many perennials give you just a few weeks of flowers, Phlox starts blooming in mid-summer and keeps going strong well into early fall. That's months of beautiful color and amazing fragrance when many other plants are starting to fade away. Here's an important tip for growing healthy phlox. Give your plants plenty of space. Phlox can sometimes develop powdery mildew if air doesn't move freely around the plants. When you space them properly, you prevent most disease problems before they start. Also, if you cut off the spent flower clusters as they fade, new ones will keep forming, extending your season of blooms even longer. The butterflies in your garden will thank you for planting phlox too. On warm summer days, you'll see beautiful butterflies dancing from flower cluster to flower cluster, adding even more life and movement to your outdoor space.
Plant number 2, Honeysuckle, the climbing wonder. Moving from ground-level plants to something that reaches for the sky, let's talk about honeysuckle vines. These climbing perennials bring fragrance to a whole new level, literally. Honeysuckle flowers may look small and delicate, but their scent is absolutely powerful and unforgettable. The fragrance of honeysuckle is sweet, rich, and has hints of fruit that make it truly special. The smell becomes even stronger during evening hours, just like phlox, which makes it wonderful for planting near areas where you spend time in the late afternoon and evening. Honeysuckle has the amazing ability to transform ordinary garden structures into something magical. Picture a plain wooden fence covered with lush green leaves and clusters of sweet-smelling flowers. Or imagine walking through an archway completely covered in honeysuckle vines, creating a natural perfumed entrance to different areas of your garden. This plant doesn't just climb, it creates outdoor rooms and defines spaces in ways that few other plants can. You can train it up trellises, over pergolas, along fences, or even up the sides of sheds or other structures. As it grows, it creates a living wall of fragrance that changes the entire feel of your outdoor space.
Hummingbirds absolutely love honeysuckle flowers, and you'll often see them hovering around the blooms, adding another layer of interest to your garden. The combination of sweet fragrance, beautiful flowers, and visiting hummingbirds creates a multi-sensory garden experience that's hard to beat. For best results, plant honeysuckle in a spot that gets full sun to partial shade. The plant needs something to climb on, so install a trellis or guide it toward a fence or other support structure when it's young. Once established, honeysuckle is quite hardy and can handle various weather conditions depending on the variety you choose.
Plant number 3, Chocolate Cosmos, the dessert garden surprise. Now we come to the most unusual and surprising plant on our entire list, Chocolate Cosmos. At first glance, you'll notice its deep burgundy petals that look almost velvety and rich. The flowers are absolutely beautiful, with a color so deep and luxurious that they almost look good enough to eat. But here's where Chocolate Cosmos becomes truly special. Lean in close to smell one of these flowers, and you'll discover something completely unexpected. They actually smell like real chocolate. Not just a hint or a suggestion of chocolate, but a genuine cocoa fragrance that will make you think someone is baking brownies nearby. The chocolate scent is so realistic that guests in your garden will often stop in their tracks when they realize what they're smelling. It's the kind of plant that gets people talking and creates memorable experiences. Imagine having friends over for an outdoor dinner party and watching their faces when they discover flowers that smell like dessert. Chocolate Cosmos bloom from midsummer through fall, producing wave after wave of these unique flowers throughout the growing season. While the individual blooms are smaller than some other perennials, they make up for size with their incredible novelty and charm. The plants produce many flowers, creating a nice display of both color and fragrance. These plants perform best in full sun and well-drained soil. In areas with harsh winters, you may need to dig up the tubers after the first frost and store them indoors, similar to how you would treat dahlia bulbs. While this requires a bit more work than some perennials, most gardeners agree that the unique chocolate fragrance makes the extra effort completely worthwhile. The conversation-starting quality of Chocolate Cosmos are perfect for planting near entertaining areas, along walkways, or anywhere guests might pause to appreciate your garden. They're guaranteed to create interest and spark discussions about the amazing variety found in the plant world.
Plant number 4. Lavender, the classic calm creator. No discussion of fragrant garden perennials would be complete without mentioning the most beloved and recognizable scented plant of all, lavender. Just hearing the word lavender probably brings the famous fragrance to mind immediately. This classic perennial has been cherished by gardeners for hundreds of years, and for very good reason. Lavender offers so much more than just its incredible fragrance. The plant is extremely drought-tolerant once it gets established, which means it actually thrives in hot, dry conditions that would stress many other plants. While other perennials might struggle during heat waves, lavender seems to get stronger and more fragrant as temperatures rise. The iconic purple flower spikes sway beautifully in even the slightest breeze, creating movement and texture in your garden while releasing that fresh, clean herbal aroma into the air. A single gust of wind can carry lavender's fragrance across your entire outdoor space, creating an instantly calming and peaceful atmosphere. Lavender is also a magnet for beneficial insects. Bees absolutely love lavender flowers and will visit them constantly during blooming season. Butterflies frequent lavender plants too, and you might even spot hummingbirds investigating the flower spikes. If creating a pollinator-friendly garden is important to you, lavender should definitely be on your planting list. Here's a valuable tip for keeping lavender blooming beautifully year after year. Don't be afraid to prune it. Many gardeners worry about cutting back lavender, but trimming the plants after their first flush of flowers actually encourages a second round of blooms later in the season. Just cut back lightly, being careful never to cut into the woody parts of the stems, and you'll see fresh new growth and more flowers developing quickly.
Lavender is wonderfully useful beyond just garden beauty. You can cut sprigs to dry for making homemade sachets, essential oils, or herbal teas. Having lavender in your garden means you can bring that calming fragrance indoors whenever you want, extending its benefits throughout your home.
Plant number 5 is peonies, the luxurious garden royalty. Few flowers can match the absolutely stunning display created by peonies in full bloom. These perennials are true garden royalty, producing enormous, lush flowers with layers of delicate petals that look like the finest silk fabric. The blooms are so full and perfect that they almost don't look real. Peonies bloom during late spring to early summer, and when they do, it's like your entire garden celebrates. The fragrance they produce is absolutely heavenly, sweet, soft, and deeply romantic. It's the kind of scent that makes you want to linger in your garden just a little bit longer each day, taking in both the visual beauty and the wonderful perfume. One of the most remarkable things about peonies is their longevity. Once you plant them in the right location, they can live and bloom for decades. Some peony plants are known to thrive for 50 years or more, getting bigger and producing more flowers every single season. They're truly a long-term investment that pays dividends for generations. To help your peonies perform at their absolute best, there are 2 critical things to remember. First is planting depth. Peony roots, which are actually tubers, need to be planted just barely below the soil surface, no more than 2 inches deep. If you bury them too deeply, the plants will grow beautiful green leaves, but may never produce flowers. Second is providing support for those magnificent heavy blooms. The flowers are so large and full that they sometimes flop over after heavy rain or strong winds. Using peony rings or stakes helps keep the stems upright and the flowers looking picture-perfect throughout the blooming season. Peonies come in an amazing array of colors that can fit any garden design. You can choose from soft blush pinks, creamy whites, bold reds, striking coral shades, and even some unusual yellow varieties. Each color brings a different mood and feeling to your garden design. Plant number 6, roses, the timeless fragrance champions. We simply cannot talk about fragrant garden perennials without discussing roses, the ultimate queen of all scented flowers. Many gardeners think roses are too difficult or high maintenance, but with today's modern varieties, you can grow roses that are both absolutely stunning and surprisingly easy to care for. When you choose fragrant rose varieties, you're rewarded with one of the most iconic and beloved scents in the entire plant world. Rose fragrance is instantly recognizable and deeply satisfying in ways that connect us to gardens throughout history. The wonderful thing about roses is the incredible range of fragrances they offer. Some varieties smell citrusy and fresh, like you've peeled an orange on a summer morning. Others carry deep, musky perfumes that are rich and complex. Still others deliver that classic sweet rose scent that most of us remember from childhood gardens and special bouquets. Roses come in many different forms to suit various garden situations. Hybrid tea roses produce those perfect single blooms that are classic and elegant. Shrub roses create fuller plants with clusters of flowers. Climbing roses can cover structures with blooms and fragrance. Old garden roses offer lush, full flowers with incredibly strong fragrances. Here's an important tip for success with roses. Look for disease-resistant varieties. Modern rose breeders have developed plants that naturally resist common problems like black spot and powdery mildew. These varieties let you enjoy beautiful roses and amazing fragrance without constantly spraying or fussing with treatments. Plant roses in sunny locations with good air circulation, feed them with balanced fertilizer, and they'll reward you generously with blooms and fragrance throughout the growing season. A well-placed rose bush or climbing rose on a trellis can perfume an entire section of your garden. Let me quickly go through our 6 amazing fragrant perennials one more time. First, we have Garden Phlox with its evening fragrance and long blooming season. Second is honeysuckle, the climbing vine that creates walls of sweetness. Third is our surprise star, chocolate cosmos, with flowers that actually smell like cocoa. Fourth is classic lavender, bringing calm and attracting pollinators. Fifth are luxurious peonies with their romantic, sweet perfume. And finally, roses, the timeless champions of garden fragrance. Each one of these perennials will bring years of beauty, fragrance, and joy to your outdoor space with minimal work from you. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these 6 fragrant perennials is your favorite? Do you already grow any of them in your garden? What has your experience been like? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single comment and love hearing about what's working in your gardens. If this video helped you learn something new about fragrant gardening, please give it a thumbs up and share it with other gardening friends who might enjoy these tips. Your support helps our channel reach more people who love gardening as much as we do. And remember to subscribe to Seniors Gardening Advice if you haven't already. We publish new, helpful gardening content every week, always focused on making gardening easier, more enjoyable, and more successful for gardeners of all experience levels. Thank you so much for spending this time with me, learning about these wonderful, fragrant plants. Until next time, keep growing and keep enjoying your garden. This is Sam from Seniors Gardening Advice, and I'll see you in the next video.